If you are looking for the best seat cushion for truck drivers, here is a collection you have got to see. Number 1. Most popular. Everlasting Comfort Seat Cushion. This memory foam cushion has a U-shaped design that is recommended by orthopedic surgeons to prevent pressure on certain areas of the body. It's designed to alleviate leg pain and promote better posture. It's made of natural materials and uses body heat to mold to your bottom for added comfort. The cushion is made of 2.4-inch foam and has a weight capacity of 300 pounds. It comes with a lifetime guarantee and features a non-slip gel under pad to keep the cushion from moving. The cushion is also ergonomically designed and can be used on a desk chair. Number 2. CONFORMAX L20A MAU Airmax Gel Truck Seat Cushion. This cushion is made using proprietary gel foam technology, so it's more comfortable than seats made of solely gel or solely foam. The cushion is designed to conform to your body and provide all-day comfort. The cover is spill-proof, which makes it simple to clean. It also provides low-profile comfort because it's not very tall. It's 1.5 inches thick with 1/2 inch of ultra-soft form-fitting gel combined with ultravis foam. It's designed to reduce vibration from the road and minimize fatigue. It also has a non-slip bottom, so it won't slide around. Number 3. Number 3. Coccyx Orthopedic Memory Foam Seat Cushion. This extreme comfort cushion is 18 by 14 by 3 inches. It features a doctor-recommended U-shaped cutout that allows your coccyx to float instead of compress on the seat surface. It distributes body weight to relieve pressure on the tailbone. It also has an anti-slip bottom and is portable, so you can use it in your truck as well as in the office or on bleachers at a sporting event. Since the cushion is made of active memory foam, it keeps its shape and should not flatten out. Number 4. Number 4. ComfiLife Premium Comfort Seat Cushion. This U-shaped, memory foam cushion reduces tailbone pressure and promotes a proper posture. It is ergonomically designed and has a non-slip rubber bottom and built-in handle. The velour cover is removable and easy to clean. The cushion is 17.5 by 13.7 by 2.8 inches. This product is great for truck drivers as well as office workers and frequent travelers. It takes the pressure off your lower back and molds itself to your shape. It's designed to support up to 225 pounds and comes with a 100% money-back guarantee. It is lightweight and easy to carry. Number 5. RaoRanDang Car Seat Cushion. This memory foam cushion is specifically designed for those who sit or drive for long periods of time. It relieves tired legs and hips and features a waterproof, dustproof, and oil-resistant top layer. It also has an anti-skid bottom, so it won't slide around when you get out of your truck. The cushion can be used while driving or at home or in the office. It has a durable and removable cotton cover that promotes air circulation to prevent sweating and can be cleaned in a washing machine. For more details, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching the video.